Hello students, as requested by many of my students, I have prepared this video regarding change in syllabus class 9 science in view of COVID-19 pandemic. Here is a brief description of importance of science as an academic subject. The present syllabus has been designed around 7 broad themes, that is food, materials, the world of the living, how things work, moving things, people and ideas, natural phenomena and natural resources. There will be an annual examination based on the entire syllabus, which will be of 80 marks, and 20 marks weightage shall be given from internal assessment. For internal assessment, there will be periodic assessment that will include 5 marks from the periodic test, and for the remaining 5 marks, diverse methods may be taken like oral test, quiz, concept map, projects, posters, presentation, inquiry-based scientific investigations, etc. Subject enrichment in the form of practical or laboratory work should be done throughout the year, and the student should maintain record of the same. Practical assessment will be continuous and there will be a weightage of 5 marks towards the final result. All the practicals listed in the syllabus must be completed. Remaining 5 marks will be given from the classwork and other sample work given by the teacher from time to time. Here is the course structure along with the unit-wise marks distribution for annual examination. Under the theme materials, the first unit is matter, its nature and behavior, where nature of matter will include elements, compounds and mixtures, heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures, colloids and suspensions. Particle nature and their basic units, atoms and molecules, law of constant proportion, atomic and molecular masses, mole concept, relationship of mole to mass of the particles and numbers. In structure of atoms, we will have electrons, protons and neutrons, valency, chemical formula of common compounds, isotopes and isobars. So let us see what is deleted from this unit 1. The first chapter, that is matter in our surroundings, has been completely deleted. The next theme is the world of living, where it has the second unit, organization in the living world. In this we have cell. It will include basic unit of life, that is cell, and prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, multicellular, unicellular cells, cell membrane, cell wall and different organelles, and cell inclusions, that is the various organelles present in cell. Then tissues, and here we will have the structure and function of animal and plant tissues. Only 4 type of tissues in animals, and meristematic and permanent tissues in plants. Then in health and diseases, we will have health and its failure, infectious and non-infectious diseases, their causes and manifestation, diseases caused by microbes, that is virus, bacteria, protozoa, and their prevention, principle of treatment and prevention, pulse polio program. So what is deleted from the second unit, that is biology? From here, the chapter diversity in living organisms has been completely deleted. The next theme is moving things, people and ideas, which includes the chapters of physics. Under this we have the third unit, motion, force and work, which includes the chapters motion, force and Newton's laws, gravitation, work, energy and power. So let us see what is deleted. From the chapter gravitation, flotation part, which included thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy, elementary idea of relative density, has been deleted. The chapter sound has been completely deleted, and yet another chapter, that is chapter 15, improvement in food resources, has been completely deleted. The theme natural resources, which has the unit our environment, will be only for internal assessment, and here you have to know the physical resources, that is air, water, soil, then air for respiration, for combustion, for moderating temperature, etc., and then pollution of these, and also the biogeochemical cycles, that is water cycle, oxygen cycle, carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. Practicals, we will have the first one, a true solution of common salt, sugar and alum, suspension of soil, chalk powder and fine sand in water, a colloidal solution of starch in water and agalbumin, milk in water, and distinguish between these on the basis of transparency, filtration, and stability. Then we will have preparation of a mixture, a compound, and we will be using iron fillings and sulfur powder and distinguishing between these on the basis of appearance, behavior towards a magnet, and towards carbon disulfide as a solvent and effect of heat. Then perform the following reactions and classify them as physical and chemical changes. The reaction will be iron with copper sulfide solution in water, burning of magnesium ribbon in air, zinc with dilute sulfuric acid, heating of copper sulfate crystals, sodium sulfate with barium chloride in the form of their solution in water. Preparation of stained temporary mount of onion peel, human cheek cell, and to record observations and draw their label diagrams. Then identification of parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma tissues in plants. Then smooth or cardiac muscle fibers and nerve cells in animals from prepared slides. Draw their labeled diagram. Determination of density of solid, and this is using spring balance and a measuring cylinder. And the last one, establishing the relation between the loss of weight of a solid when fully immersed in tap water and strongly salty water with the weight of water displaced by it by taking at least two different solids. All the practicals related to the deleted portions have been deleted.